Hello everyone, today we are going to do a simple experiment within our classroom to show our children how volcano erupts. So here are some simple things that we need for our experiment. First is Play-Doh, second we need a paper cup, then we need food color, a small glass of water and the most important one that is sachet of ENO. What we need to do is we need to cover this glass with the Play-Doh to give it a shape of a mountain, and here it is. Next we need to pour this glass of water inside this cup. Done. Then we need to add food color. And now we are ready to explore our lava. So for this we need to add good quantity of ENO. So are we all ready? So here it goes. One. So yay, it's lava that is coming out of mountain. So through this experiment we can explain to our children how volcano erupts and what comes out of our volcanoes, and other kinds of conversation can be done with our kids to give them a proper view of volcanic eruptions. Thank you.